Hello everybody, my name is Sydney Nicole Addams, and today I'm going to be bringing you a new makeup cosplay look. I'm doing SHEGO from Kim Possible, as you saw from the title in the beginning of the video, and I am partnering with HalloweenCostumes.com to bring you this video. My costume is from them. I love HalloweenCostumes.com. Y'all know Halloween is right around the corner, okay? It's like 2 months away. You need your costumes. You need to start planning out stuff now. You need to figure it out, and HalloweenCostumes.com has everything that you need and more. So go check them out. To start off with this look, you know SHEGO's got some really intense black eyebrows, so I am going in and drawing very dramatic brows on me to give that mean, angry SHEGO effect. I used a pencil first to kind of get the shape I wanted, and then I went in with a black eyeliner, and I just made those hair strokes to make it look like I actually have hair, because I don't have hair. So you gotta make it work, you know, gotta pretend sometimes. I'm just priming my lids to make sure that we get ready for this eyeshadow look. I'm just doing a smoky eye. I felt like a smoky eye was very SHEGO. And then I'm going to go in with a black, like, cream eyeshadow. I'm using it as a base, so I'm just packing it down first, and I'm going to go back on top of that cream shadow with black eyeshadow. That's not cream. I'm packing it on really, really well so it's nice and dark, and then very lightly starting to blend the edges, smoke it out, and then I go back in with the gray and back and forth with the black to make sure that everything is nice and blended and everything is flowing beautifully. I'm going to do my complexion now. I'm just putting foundation all over. I kind of got a tan, you guys. I got a little color on my chest and my arms, so I promise you that my foundation is not too light for me. I just refuse to buy a darker foundation because I'm not ever tan, so. I am packing powder all over my face just to set all the foundation and the concealer. I'm also doing it on my neck a little bit. That way when the costume, you know, rubs up against my neck, the foundation doesn't come off and it's not all sticky, you know, because I put foundation on my neck. I'm contouring. I'm doing a lot of contouring. Doing some blush. She needs a little something just to bring a little life. I love doing the trick where you put your remaining blush underneath your eyes. Oh my god. It makes your under eyes look so beautiful. It's gorgeous. I just take the brush and I just dust underneath my eyes. I sprayed my face to set the powder. I am putting a black liner in my waterline and really smoking that out and connecting the top of my lid with that. And then I just took a matte white shadow and I put that on my brow bone, and I did just the tiniest bit of highlight. Like literally the smallest amount. I did not go crazy with the highlight for this. I wanted to look like a cartoon character, you know? So yeah, just a couple little pops. Popping on some mascara there. And I like to do this trick. I put the lash glue down on my lids first and make sure I get it in the inner corner and the outer corner. And I also put the glue on the band of the false eyelashes. And in my opinion, that just helps it stay down a lot better. It helps your inner and outer corners not lift. It just gives extra security to those lashes. And to make sure that they are stuck to your eyelid, which is what we want, right? Kind of. I popped on this black wig, because SHEGO's got some black hair. And I'm just, okay, this was the hard part. Okay, you guys, I'm just kind of shading my lower lip because in the cartoon in Kim Possible, right, they don't, like, have a lower lip. I mean, they do, but, like, they don't. So, but I wanted to give the illusion that I still had a lip. So that's why I shaded it. And now I'm going in with a black pencil, and I am just kind of drawing the shape I want for my top lip, which is going to be more pointed, more rounded. I put a little powder on top of the black, added some more shading to the lower lip, put foundation on my lips, and voila, you guys, that is it for this look. It's rather simple. It's a rather simple look, but who doesn't love a little SHEGO moment, a little Kim Possible moment? Thank you, Halloween Costumes, for working with me on this video. Make sure y'all go to HalloweenCostumes.com to check out all their cosplay costumes and Halloween costumes, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.